Today we're taking a look at one of the most popular brokers in the world, Interactive Brokers, also known as IBKR. This is a US-based company founded back in 1978, which now serves millions of clients worldwide and provides access to over 150 markets. You'll find the link to the broker's official website in the description. Let's get started. Interactive Brokers is a direct market access broker. Through it, you can trade stocks, options, futures, Forex, bonds, and ETFs, basically all major asset classes. The key advantage is its global reach, clients from over 200 countries, and access to dozens of exchanges worldwide. According to Traders Union and the official website, the broker focuses on low commissions, US stocks and ETFs, from $0, Forex commissions, from fractions of a basis point, no platform fees, and no minimum deposit. Also, IBKR generally does not charge inactivity fees. However, it's worth noting that the fee structure can be complex. There are different pricing plans and tiers. Interactive Brokers is mainly designed for advanced traders. Over 100 order types, algorithmic trading, professional analytics tools, margin trading, and interest on balances. There are several platforms available: mobile, web, and the powerful desktop version, Trader Workstation. IBKR is regulated by major financial authorities and is considered one of the most reliable brokers in the industry. Pros: very low commissions, wide range of markets and instruments, strong regulation and reliability, suitable for active and professional traders. Cons: complex interface for beginners, complicated pricing structure, takes time to learn. Interactive Brokers is a powerful broker for those who want access to global markets with low costs. But if you're a beginner, be ready to spend some time learning the platform. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new broker reviews and insights.